Hi, hello everyone. This is Dr. Prasad Putilam through my YouTube channel My Intuition, presenting a new topic to my YouTube channel, Striving for Excellence, the Power of NAAC Accreditation. So every day we hear about NAAC and the NAAC accreditation, and many of the institutions we are in the second cycle or facing the second cycle of accreditation or trying to improve our NAC points from the grade NAC grades to higher levels. So we have to analyze this situation where we are lagging and where and all we can improvise ourselves. So I made this video to make myself aware of all these possibilities and well, let us take a close look at the NAC assessment process and the criteria used to evaluate in the institutions. So let's get started. First point, that why NAC accreditation. As we all know, NAC accreditation holds immense significance for the private colleges in India. So let us explore some of the key reasons why institutions aim for the higher NAC ranking. Why they just waiting, they are not satisfied that they have got NAC accredited. They are not satisfied. They are going for the higher rating. So some of the reasons which I can quote is accreditation and the recognition. NAC accreditation, it signifies the quality as well as the excellence in higher education. A higher NAC ranking, it enhances the institution's reputation and gains the recognition at the national and international levels. It validates the college's commitment to providing quality education and top-notch infrastructure. Also, it supports the funding and grants. NAC accreditation often opens the doors to the government funding agencies or the funding grants. Higher ranked institutions are more likely to receive financial support from various agencies and funding bodies. This funding can be utilized for further improvement of the infrastructure, the research facility, and as well as the academic programs. Then attracting the students. A higher NAC ranking can significantly impact student admission, as nowadays every student they came to know the importance of NAC. They know what is the importance of NAC for their higher studies as well as their job opportunities. So students and parents, they consider NAC ranking while choosing the colleges. A high rank implies better education quality and facilities, attracting more students to the colleges. It also creates collaboration and tie-ups. We can have the NAC accredited institutions are preferred the partners of collaborations and research projects. They have greater opportunity for exchange programs with reputed institutions, which are nationally, internationally important. Such collaborations, they enhance the institution's academic research opportunities. Then getting the autonomy and privilege, higher NAC ranking, which leads to increase in institutional autonomy. Colleges can design and implement academic programs and make administrative decisions independently. They may introduce new courses without seeking approval from the affiliated universities. Then comes the status upgrade, eventually becoming private university. And we can see that many private colleges, they are affiliated to one or the other universities. So they get a higher NAC grade and they try to become autonomous. When they become autonomous, further they try to be deemed. Then finally, their goal is to get a private university status. Private colleges, they aim for higher NAC ranking to eventually become these private universities, because these universities have greater flexibility in program design, greater flexibility in their establishing research centers and degree awarding. This upgrade elevates the institution's prestige in a education sector. This status of getting private university, then they can decide their curriculum based on the very relevant industrial requirement. They can make prepare the curriculum, they can prepare the syllabus, they can introduce the new courses, and all these are possible only when they become a private university. As well as the government university can also do support, but a private sector, if they want to do something based on their requirement, they need to get this status. Then employment perception. Employer perception. A higher NAC ranking, it positively impacts the perception of employers and the industry stakeholders. The graduates from high ranked colleges are viewed more favorably, leading to a better job opportunity. Now, how this NAC accreditation process is happening. Uh, so let us understand how this NAC evaluates in the institutions to determine their ranking. Mainly, we need to prepare, the institution need to prepare a self study report and need to submit through the web portal which they provide, which covers the institution mission, vision, academic programs, infrastructure, research activities. Then comes the peer team visit. Once the SSR is submitted and approved, one online approvals, everything completed, then a peer team will visit. NAC forms a peer team of experts to conduct on-site evaluation. The team interacts with the faculty, interact with the students, this other staff, management, and they gather the required additional evidences supporting to the SSR. Okay, so on-site evaluation and feedback collection. The peer team, it reviews the SSR, collects the feedback from various stakeholders. They assess the institution's performance against the all the 7 NAC criteria which are given. Now the assessment and accreditation. Based on the on-site evaluation, the peer team, they prepare an assessment report, and the institutions are awarded a grade like A plus plus, A plus, A, B plus plus, B plus, B, C or D, based on the performance or based on the analysis that they did. Now, how this NAC team, how the NAC selects such a team for this work? So the NAC team, it comprises of experts with specific qualifications and experience. They have required academic qualifications like higher degrees or PhD or equivalent or even higher degrees in their respective fields. They have even significant experience in higher education, the research, as well as in other academic administrative works. Professional experience, experts are chosen based on their expertise in their said profession, which includes the curriculum development, maintaining or managing the teaching learning practices and administration. Then comes publication and research contributions. PRT members, they have a significant number of publications in reputed journals and have contributed to the field of higher education and research. Then the accreditation and assessment experience, they are also having such experience in their institution or visiting other institutions, or they are get trained. Then they have diversity and multidisciplinary nature. They are not, though they are experts of their set subject, but they also know the other subjects, other fields of studies, other curricular and non-curricular fields. They are expertised, because NAC considers a diverse peer team with expertise in different academic disciplines to ensure a comprehensive and holistic evaluation of the said higher education institutions. They need to be very impartial and objectivity. They are trained to exhibit impartiality as well as objectivity in their said evaluation, and required training and orientations are given by the NAC. So I conclude that this particular session, I conclude that the NAC accreditation process, it is very comprehensive evaluation which ensures the quality and excellence in higher education. All the private colleges in India, they strive for higher NAC ranking for various compelling reasons, and the main reason to become a private university. The efforts to achieve high ranks ultimately benefit the students, benefit the faculty, and the institution as a whole. So thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational content. I'll be providing the criteria wise explanation for all the 7 criteria in my YouTube channel, a separate playlist I made for that. And what are possible ways to score the maximum points in NAC, that also will be explained. So once again, thank you very much for watching this video. hope not forget to watch my next video, that is on criteria 1. What are the possible what are the questionnaire asked in criteria 1, what is the meaning of criteria 1, and how and all we can tackle it to get the maximum points. Mainly the private colleges have so many limitations because they are affiliated to one of the university. So whatever they have to do as per the university standard norms. In addition to that, NAAC has always ask the additional information. What and all the additional information we can add so that we can showcase our institution's performance in a better way, which we are already doing in our institution. But the documentation part we are failing many of the times. All the faculties, the head of the department, the institution head, they do their double best. Even the management are doing it, but we don't know how to document it based on the their requirement, so that we can showcase we are doing it. We need to document it in a proper way. So once again, thank you very much.